today we're discussing the critical issue of access to financing by micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. The Development Bank of Jamaica, the DBJ, has been facilitating this process, and in studio is General Manager of the Strategic Services Division, Christopher Brown. Mr. Brown, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much for having me.
What are the services you're lending? We know that people that need money, and they are considered to be the engine of growth as it relates to growth and development, yes?
Correct.
So what services do you offer to them?
Well, one of our primary services, as I mentioned, is capacity development.
Yes.
So we understand that MSMEs, in order to operate their businesses more efficiently and even get investors, whether they're going for a loan or a private investor, they themselves need to be ready. So we have a number of different programs that gives grants and technical assistance to help these MSMEs to understand how to operate their business better. It could be training programs to teach you how to do proper accounting. We have programs that allow you to actually get the accounting services done, get business plans done, get marketing plans done. I would say a number of the different requirements that the banks will say you need to have in order to access loans. So there are a number of different programs we have. We give grants of up to $4 million dependent on the different program that will allow businesses to test their ideas, especially if what they're doing is very innovative.
Grants mean that they don't have to pay it back, right?
That is
so
correct.
$4 million.
Right. So
yes.
Some of the programs, we have a program currently called the Ignite program, which is focused on innovative businesses. So somebody bringing a new product or a new process to the market. They were able to get $4 million to be able to develop that prototype and help to bring it to the market, so to make it commercially viable.
Yes.
There are other programs we have, which is our Voucher for Technical Assistance program, which allows any business to get up to $200,000 in grants to be able to get the necessary documents that I mentioned. Get a business plan done, get your accounting done, get your financial statements done, as well as I think there are at least 20 other services that you can get access to with that particular program.
With that money that you don't have to pay back. So how does that work, though? How do you help in this regard? Do you actually have a technocrat who sits with the persons and help them to do the business plan, or that's how it works?
Well, currently there's a portal, dbjvoucher.com, that you can visit, and it will list all the services that we offer. It will also list the accredited business development organizations which you can go to. So you'll get a voucher, you carry it to one of these technocrats, technical service providers, and they would be able to give the necessary assistance that you require based on the voucher that you particularly have.
So how do people know about these facilities? What are you doing to ensure that people know about these facilities?
Well, there are a number of different marketing campaigns that we run. Opportunities like this where we come here, we tell people about the different programs we have. We partner with the approved financial institutions or commercial banks or microfinance institutions or other financial institutions who offer our services to let their clients know about these particular services.
So the approved financial institutions, these are regular banks?
That's correct.
Yes, yes.
In addition to commercial banks, we have credit unions that are approved financial institutions. So SMEs that want DBJ financing can go to 23 different financial institutions
across the island
to ask for a specific DBJ loan. And what they will get are loans at concessionary rates or concessionary terms, so either lower interest rates than what you would normally get walking into the bank, or for longer tenures or a longer time for you to repay the loan. Maybe it's normally 5 years. In this, you can get up to 10 years.
The credit enhancement facility, tell us about that.
Okay, so the credit enhancement facility is really a guarantee program. So it helps businesses that don't have enough collateral to get collateral support from the DBJ. So currently, our program allows for us to provide a guarantee of up to 80% of the loan amount at to a maximum of $30 million. So if a small business is borrowing $30 million, DBJ would provide a guarantee for 80% of that. So 20% or just about is what the MSME would have to find to be able to get access to the facility. And we think this is a critical driver for the ecosystem, the marketplace at the moment, because we understand that small businesses may not have enough collateral to be able to access the necessary financing to improve their operations. So we've introduced this particular program. And what we really want is we want the banks to recognize DBJ as that key facilitator. So any bank that is interested in lending MSME loans needs to take advantage of the credit enhancement facility.
So there are opportunities, and we're urging our small and medium enterprises to come on out and get funds from DBJ, get help to do your business plans and so on. Thank you so very much for sharing with us today on this program.
It was my pleasure.
Good.